Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Salutations to all the Gurus. One must have heard about Mahavatar Babaji. Yogi Mahavatar Babaji is said to have explored the Kriya Yoga of Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Babaji's birth and age details are not known, and it is through some beliefs and faiths Babaji is said to be existing or living person even today. Appears and disappears, appears sometimes to someone, some devotee, and disappears. And the people, the devotees, they come out and say that we have the vision of Babaji. Some documentaries and films are made about Babaji, Mahavatar Babaji, and they show that he is still a living person born centuries ago, and he comes into our presence, human presence, sometimes to convey some message. Mahavatar Babaji is said to have told his disciples to practice Kriya Yoga or the action yoga. Originally, Kriya Yoga originated from Krishna's teachings to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita. Later, sage Patanjali compiled them into Ashtanga Yoga in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Kriya Yoga is the yoga of action, Kriya. Whatever you do is a Kriya, is an action. And it has taken from one anga of Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali Yoga Sutras. So one may follow the complete Patanjali Yoga Sutras, or to begin with, he may follow only small portion of it so that to feel and enjoy the yoga for the humanity, for the benefit of humanity. That is how this Kriya Yoga has come into this world for the benefit of everyone. In another session, we'll cover Kriya Yoga. What is Kriya Yoga and how to do Kriya Yoga. Coming to the Mahavatar Babaji, he seemed to have appeared before his devotees, disciples at various times to convey the message to the world. 3 points as a message to this world, and also taught Kriya Yoga to his disciples, who took forward to spread the message to the world, the importance of Kriya Yoga. Main disciple is Lahiri Mahasaya. Lahiri Mahasaya lived in 19th century, and he got initiation from Mahavatar Babaji in 1861. That is the beginning of Mahavatar Babaji and his miracles and his messages coming to our society, our humanity. Lahiri Mahasaya, after receiving initiation from Mahavatar Babaji, started practicing it, and he started getting disciples, and his disciples included his 2 sons as well, Dukori Lahiri and Tinkori Lahiri. And other disciples include Yakuteswar Giri, Panchanan Bhattacharya, Swami Prabhananda, Swami Kebalananda, Keshavananda Brahmachari, Bhubendranath Sanyal, and many others. You will be hearing about, you might have heard about Yogananda. Sri Yakuteswar Giri is the guru of Yogananda. Yogananda lived in first half of 20th century. The important people who took as a machine to spread the Kriya Yoga message of Mahavatar Babaji, or the first one is Lahiri Mahasaya. He spread the Kriya Yoga in India and rest of the world, United States and Europe, Yogananda. He is also called Paramahamsa Yogananda. He reached those audience, international audience, and spread the Kriya Yoga. Yogananda wrote a book by the name Autobiography of a Yogi, and it has a mention of Kriya Yoga. One must read this book. When you get a chance, don't miss it. Lahiri Mahasaya spread the Kriya Yoga in India, and Yogananda spread the Kriya Yoga in the rest of the world, international audience. Mahavatar Babaji's messages to this world are healthy and happy society. His main three teachings are: 1. Follow your faith. Maintain physical and mental well-being. 2nd, know your responsibilities, know your duties and fulfill them. Right? 3rd one, help fellow citizens. That way we can make happy and healthier society. We can progress forward. Right? We should widen our thinking to accommodate anyone and everyone. Everyone is born equal in this world, and everyone has got the right to be happy. One should not give suffering to the others. Okay, knowing the origin, birth, or the existence of the Baba, that's a different thing. So maybe mystery, maybe a story or something else. But there is a good thing. If good thing is there anywhere, we should adopt. That's going to give a shining in our life, right? And if I got the capability to explore, to inquire, go ahead and do it. Bring your findings to this world. This applies to any faith. Until you do that, follow what is told. Follow the good things in our faith, our belief, and live like a human and help fellow humans. Let's all build a happy society.